we observe the Canis pugus domesticus, a creature of great mystery and very little neck. Despite centuries of domestication, the pug still relies heavily on its most powerful sense, smell. This particular scent appears to be absolutely nothing. The pug has chosen to sit. The decision is final. Notice the breathing. Scientists believe the sound serves two purposes: survival and intimidation. The stare, a powerful tool used to communicate hunger, disappointment, or a deep philosophical question, such as, "Will you drop food?" The pug travels only when absolutely necessary. Here we witness a rare migration approximately 3 feet before exhaustion sets in. And now, the rest phase. A phase that will last until food is detected. Incredible. Through nearly unconscious moments ago, the pug's internal snack radar has activated. Despite lacking any hunting skills whatsoever, the pug has mastered one essential surviving strategy: emotional manipulation. And so the pug returns to its natural habitat, the couch. Safe, loud, waiting for the next snack cycle. Magnificent.